What if I told you there's a weight loss method that burns 33% more belly fat than regular dieting without starving yourself or losing muscle? A groundbreaking 2024 study just proved it works. I've put together a complete guide with meal timing templates and protein calculations in the description below. Make sure to grab that before this video ends. It'll save you hours of research. Welcome to Better Body Secrets, where we break down science-backed health strategies that actually deliver results. Today we're diving into protein pacing combined with intermittent fasting, and why researchers are calling it the most effective fat loss protocol of 2025. Here's what happened. Arizona State University published research in Nature Communications, tracking two groups for 8 weeks. Both groups ate the same total calories per week, but one group used protein pacing with intermittent fasting. The results? They lost 8.81% of their body weight compared to just 5.4% in the regular diet group. But here's where it gets interesting. They lost significantly more visceral fat, that dangerous fat surrounding your organs, and they did it while preserving lean muscle mass. So what exactly is protein pacing? It's strategic protein distribution throughout your eating window. Instead of eating protein randomly, you consume 25 to 50 grams of high-quality protein every 3 to 4 hours across 4 to 5 meals. Why does this work? Protein has the highest thermogenic effect of all macronutrients, meaning your body burns more calories just digesting it. When you pace it evenly, you maintain elevated metabolism all day long, preserve muscle tissue during fat loss, and reduce hunger cravings by up to 17%. Your body never enters that muscle breakdown state that ruins most diets. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're releasing a full meal plan series next week that works with this exact protocol. Now here's where intermittent fasting amplifies everything. The protocol uses 1 to 2 fasting days per week, where you consume only 20 to 25% of your normal calories, about 400 to 500 calories. On these days, you still maintain protein intake, but in smaller amounts. This creates metabolic flexibility, training your body to efficiently switch between burning glucose and burning stored fat. The study showed participants experienced improved gut microbiome diversity, better insulin sensitivity, reduced blood pressure, and decreased inflammation markers. This isn't just weight loss, it's metabolic transformation. Compare this to standard calorie restriction, where you just eat less every day. You lose weight, sure, but you also lose muscle, slow your metabolism, and feel miserable. With protein pacing plus IF, participants reported better appetite control, sustained energy levels, and most importantly, they kept the weight off. The research showed improvements lasted beyond the initial 8 weeks because they built sustainable eating patterns, not another temporary crash diet. Ready to implement this? Start simple. Calculate your protein needs. Aim for 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Divide that across 4 meals in your eating window. Choose 1 to 2 days per week for modified fasting. I recommend non-consecutive days like Monday and Thursday. On fasting days, have a high-protein breakfast and dinner, staying around 400-500 total calories. On regular days, maintain your protein pacing schedule. Track your progress weekly, not daily, focusing on measurements and how your clothes fit, not just the scale. This is science-backed, sustainable, and it actually works. The complete protocol, meal timing charts, and protein source lists are in the description. Click that link, download the guide, and follow me on Instagram at LucasNutritionPro for daily tips. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more evidence-based health secrets. Your transformation starts now. Let's make 2025 your healthiest year yet.